This video explains how to switch between the modes on your GA-2100 watch. Hold down the mode button for about 2 seconds to return to timekeeping mode from any other mode. Press the mode button to switch from timekeeping mode to world time mode. Press the mode button again to switch to stopwatch mode. Now, switch to the timer mode by pressing the mode button. Similarly, alarm mode can be selected by pressing the mode button. Press the mode button again to return to timekeeping mode. In timekeeping mode, you can toggle the digital display between home city date and time by pressing the start button.